I hope you can able to see the screen, students.
Yes, sir.
Next and last part of topic in your syllabus is a splicing of index numbers. Splicing means you are cutting, you are just cutting that index number. You can say this is one of the technique which is quite useful when your year are too distant. Okay, when I can say uh, your base year is too distant from the current year, so one can always use this splice index. But only the cases is that when you have given the two series data, then only you can compare this series. Okay, so sometimes an index number series with a fixed base is discontinued after a number of years, since the base since the base becomes too distant. So uh, if your base become too distant, then you will be stopped. You will be discontinue that fixed year. For example, if you have a 2 years, let's say let us call these 3 years. For example, the index number, you can call this index number. Let's say this 3 years. Okay, so 1, 1996, 1998, 2000, and their index numbers are this respectively. While we have index number in another series, means we have a two series. One will be this, and one will be this one. Okay? So under this category, we have given their index number, and another series which is 2000, 2002, and 2003. We have these index number. Okay? Now here changes in price 2002 and 2003 on the basis of index numbers given below. Okay, I will just give this not above, this is below. Okay, I'm going to prepare that one. Cannot be directly compared with those in 1996 and 1998. Okay, as the two different, as the two, as the base year are different. And this comparison in changes in price is only possible, is only possible just a minute, if the index number for the year 2002 and 2003 are calculated with the base year 1996 as the base year, or index number for the year 1996 and 1998 are calculated with the base year 2000. This is called splicing the index number in the new series with those in original series for the sake of comparison. The above series of index number can be sliced as follows. Now, let us try to understand whether you can understand this slice or not. So what is the data given to you? Let us understand first. So what is given to you here? Index numbers for the year. So year given to you. Okay, let's take down the year here. So we have given this one is year. And assuming the, just a minute. I'll open once again. So you have a year and you have a two base year, 1996 and 1998. Okay, so we are considering or not 19, you can assume the base year will be 2000 because 2000 is again starting with base. And actually you have a 3 years, 1996, 1998 and 2000 will be one series, and you have a 2002 and 2003 will be your another series. You can understand from this data. Index number for the year 1996, 1998, 2000 are these, and this, right? So 1996, 1998, 2000 क्या क्या है? 100, 120, 50. So you can take down 100. This is 100, 120, and 150. This is given to you, correct? This is given to you, assuming the base will be 1996, respectively. While the index number in another series, for the year 2000, 2002, 2003 are 100, 125, 140. So another series they are talking about. Another series means this is my series. This is my series. Okay. So for 2000, my index number for new series will be 100. This is 125. This is 140. First of all, let me ask you whether you are understand this part is or not. So when do you apply this splicing? When actually when your current year will be far away from base year, too distance from the base year, then we can apply splicing. But the splicing having always new year start with the new base. So you can see in the new series starts with a new base year. So if I have these two series, one will be this, one will be this. So these series can always start with the new base year, which is 2000. So 2000 is my new base year. Okay. So एक series क्या दिया है मेरे को? This is my one series. So this is my one series 100, 120, 150. Then another index number, we have another series with this year, okay, which is index numbers are 100, 125, 140. So I have written here. I have not written here. Why? Because this is my new series. So new series means you have a new base year. Remember, your base will be the new. So based on this base, you have the new series ka index number. Now, here changes in the price 2002, 2003 means 2002, 2003 on the basis of index numbers given below cannot be directly compared with those in 1996 and 1998 as the base year are different. As the base year are different. See, so computing these two prices, it is not possible to compute. It is not possible to compute because we have the base year is different. Base year is different. Okay. So this comparison in changes in prices is only possible if index number for the year 2002 and 2003 are calculated. calculated. So we will calculate first index number for 2002 and 2003. Okay. So how to calculate? But there are another one concept. Either you can assume the base year 1996 or index number 1996 and 1998 are calculated. 1996 and 1990 are calculated assuming the base price is 2000. Assuming the base price is 2000. So this is another way of doing that. Okay. So this you can means you can calculate these two price assuming that base price is 2000, base year is 2000, and you can calculate the index number for 1996 and 1998. Okay. So you know the fixed, you know the base year is 2000. So 2000 ka base year you know. So what is the index number for 2000? 150, right? So you can calculate the base for this, and hence one can get the index number because you know the base, and once you know the base, you can find index number, which is 100 upon, okay, let me just take the highlight one. It is 100 upon 150 multiplied by 100, you may get the answer, which is 66.6. Because you know the, to calculate the 1996 or 1998, see these 2 years, the index number only possible when you consider the base year will be 2000. See, they have written here, understand this. The index number for the year 1996 and 1998 are calculated with the base year 2000. तो मुझे बेस दिया है 150. It is something like fixed. It is something like the fixed index number. जैसे कि अभी हमने previous में किया है. Previous में हमने क्या बोला था? Assuming that the base year will be fixed 2001. So 2001 का जो भी index number था, we have divided everywhere by 161, right? Similarly, in this case also, 2000 is a fixed base. So to calculate the index number for this series, you have to fixed base will be 150. So similarly, you can calculate this one, and similarly you can calculate this one. So 120 divided by 150 multiplied by 100. So you will be completing this series. Hence, this is the new series. Okay. And we have another series, this one. Now you are calculating the index number. You are calculating the index number for 2002, 2003 with, read it again. This comparison can this comparison in changes in price is only possible if 2000 year, if the index number for 2002, 2003 are calculated with base year 1996 or with 1996 as the base year. Okay. But if you look at the data, assuming the base year 2000, you have already given the data for index number for 2002. You have already given the data for index number for 2002 and 2003. So how do you calculate for 2002? Assuming the base index number is 1996. So is it something like that? Is it something like that? Index number for current year, index number for current year index number क्या है आपका 125 multiply by index number for previous year 150 divided by 100. Index number for current year 140 multiplying by index number for previous year. But what is my previous year base? My base is 2000. So 2000 base, what is index number? 150. 150 divided by. देखो आपको कितना समझ रही है, just check it first. Whether you can understand or not. So in short, ये series को निकालने के लिए you have given the index number and you know the fixed base is 2000. तो 2000 का index number कितना दिया है आपको 150. So is it something like that? To getting the year 2002, you know the index number, you know the previous index number. So it is something like chain index number. ऐसे निकाला chain index number कैसे निकाला आपने देखो. This is something like chain index number. So current year 150 divided by previous year 150, 120 multiplied by 100. This one or this one, fixed base index number. The fixed base is given here. You can see the fixed base 2000 is given to you, and current index number is given to you. So index number multiplied by fixed base index number divided by 100. So this will give us the your index number for new series. Just go through whether you can understand or not, because splicing is little bit not easy. Okay? So, so in this case, basically you have used fixed base 2000. Fixed base 2000. तो 2000 का इंडेक्स नंबर क्या दिया है आपको? That means you can call shifting of base. तो मैंने बेस को मैंने क्या किया है? शिफ्ट कर दिया है. And in this case 2002 का आपको इंडेक्स नंबर्स आर गिवन टू यू and base is given to you. So it's a current year base multiplied by previous year base divided by 100. Because it is something like previous year's data. It is 1996 का data ना. तो आपको यू मीन टू से रिसेंट ईयर का डेटा दिया है, ओल्ड ईयर का डेटा निकालना है। तो बेस अगर मेरा ये है तो उस ईयर मतलब assuming this base, what would be my index number? It will be this. And obviously it will be less ना। देखो इसमें ज्यादा है, इसमें कम है। Let's take this example. You can understand. This is not easy, but try to understand it. In 2000, means in 2000 there is some statistical bureau started, and there's index number for the production based on 1996. So 1996 is your base year. They have calculated this index number. Okay. And now in 2003, again bureau is reconstructed this index number with new base is 2002. तो पहला क्या बेस था आपका 1996 था, एक सीरीज निकाला उन्होंने, पर 2003 में फिर से एक इंडेक्स बेस लिया 2002, एक नया सीरीज निकाला। फिर 2005 में अगेन दे हैव लाइक बेस निकाला 2004 और अगेन एक सीरीज दिया। So obtain the continuous series by splicing of the series. So to obtain the series by assuming these are the base years. तीनों base years को assume करके मुझे index number निकालना। तो कैसे निकालेगा? So let's draw the data. First, what is the data given to? Let's see, and then we can go according to the data. So I have given this year like 1, 2, this is my year. And now I'm assuming the three bases here. One will be 1919, 2002, 2004. This is 2000. So what is given to you? You have given the year. Okay. You have given the base 1999. We have given the base 2002. You have given again base 2004. Okay. So what is the year you have given? 1999, 2000, 2002, 2004, 2007. Okay. So if you just look at the data, base 1999, we have given these three index numbers. So we can take down these three index number: 100, 120. This is 100, 120, and 200. This is the data you have given: 100, 120, 200. Base is 1999. Again, the base is 2002, and you have given next two series 100 and 150. So 2002 में 100 and this is given to you 100 and 150. Again, base is 2004, and you have given the year become 100 and 200. So this is 100 and this is 200. This data is given to you. Now, to get index number for 2002, you know the base year 1999, right? So it is very easy to calculate in that case, right? Because for 2002, see, you are calculating the for the year 1999, assuming the base year is 2002. right? Base year कितना है आपका 2002 है. तो 2002 का क्या base है? What is the index number? 200, right? 200 is your base, and you are calculating the index number for 1999. So it would be 100 upon 200, because base you know, multiply by 100. So which should be 50. Similarly for this one, so it is 120 upon 200 into multiply by 100, which is equal to, you can calculate this one, 6. See whether you can able to understand this or not. So for 2002, if you just look at the data, it is 50, 60, 100, 100 and 180 will be the last answer. Are you getting this question? Any question here? Yes, anyone? Go to chat box and write down why, if you understood this particular base for 2002.
Chat is
Sir,
disabled.
the chat is disabled.
Disabled? How it is disabled?
Sanket sir had done
Sanket sir
it.
has made it.
अच्छा क्या बहुत डिस्टर्ब किया संकेत सर को आपने क्या?
नहीं सर, वो
नहीं
हमेशा
सर,
कर देते.
हमेशा कर दो.
Now you can do see. Type Y whether you can able to type. Okay, means you can type. Fine. So can you tell me now, there is any difficulty? Because I feel it is very simple. Base is given 2002, and you are finding the current year for 1999. So base आपका 200 दिया है, and current year you are finding for 1999, which is simply 100 upon 200 and 120 upon 200, तो आपको ये न्यू सीरीज मिल जाएगा जो आपका स्प्लाइस हुआ है. सिमिलरली 2004 के लिए अगर आपको निकालना है, so for 2004 my new series will be this one, 50, 60, 100. So base is 2004. So if my base is 2004, okay, so what is the base? 2004. कितना index number है? 150. So how to get the index number? फिर से same रहेगा, 50 upon 150 into 100, which will I think give us 33.33. Yeah, and similarly you will be get this one also, 60 upon 150 multiply by 100, which will give us
40.
how much it is? Is this 66.667? Sorry, 40. Correct. This is 40. This one is 40. Nah? This is 40. Yeah, and similarly for this one also, this would be 100 upon 150 multiply by 100, which would give you 66.6. इस situation में आएगा, इस situation, right? So this is my actually, you can call splice index. Splice index number based on 2000. Based on 2004. But if you just look at the data, we don't have still these index number. Do you remember how to calculate this one? So 2004 and 7 के लिए, you have base year will be this one. Base year will be this one. And index number is given to you 150. So how to get this? So 150 into 200 multiply by or divided by 100. Is this way you have done it in the previous case also? Check it. So it would be how much? It would be
300.
How much?
300.
Something. Okay, correct. Yeah, 300, correct. So this is 150 into 200 divided by 100, which will give us 300. Okay, just wait. I'll open once again. Just wait. So similarly for 2007 also you will be get, but if you just look at the data for 2007, the current year is not given to you. Current year is not given to you. So we need to be obtain the current year for first this one. So how to get that one? It is similarly which you have used it. So current year is 200 multiply by base year is 150 multiply by divided by 100. So for this year to get the 2007 ka, assuming the base is 2002, so 2002 ka you have given the current year which is 200 into previous year base year which is 150 divided by 100, which will give us again 300. And once you get this year, like the index number for this series, assuming that the base year 1999, okay, which would be 300 multiplied by 200 divided by 100. Check it whether it is coming right or not. Let me check it out. Is that no? 2007 is 300 is correct. 2002, the first 180. How much it is coming?
600.
Yeah. 600.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in this way, you can do it with all index numbers. Okay. So again, this problem is from your practicals, so you can like copy the same problem so that